Okay, YouTube, I'm back with this new video about this hair that I have. This is the ombre hair from Beauty Forever. I'm actually in love with this hair and color, and I'm not just saying that because I've got it for review. I actually this is my signature look all the time. If you look back at my other videos, mainly the hair that I always do is a 1B and then like a light blonde towards the bottom. So the fact that this is already done for me was like, oh my god, it's so great. And what I just showed you there was the edge booster, edge control that I use on my edges, the little bit that I do have out. So this is a sew-in. I currently have two bundles, and I have a 20 and I have an 18 inch, and I have a little bit of the 16 inch in my head as well, which I'm gonna also add a few more pieces. The wand that I'm using is a Remington curling wand. I got it from Target for about $25. The first one I had actually lasted me like 5 or 6 years. And this one I had to buy because my other one, it didn't give out, but it started to break a little bit. So first thing I do is take a few sections, and this is 10-minute curls that I do each morning before I go to work. So I hold it there. I count to about 30, 32 seconds in my head, and I just let it go basically. And I don't comb them out until they cool basically. That's the key to keeping long lasting curls all day, is let them cool. One thing that I noticed about the hair, that it is a little bit dry towards the blonde areas, and that is to be expected with any time that you bleach any kind of hair. But the hair is surprisingly super soft and silky, and also if I use any kind of oil in the hair, it doesn't like build up on the hair for some reason. So that's like a plus. Um, Also, the hair is a true 1B color, so I did have to dye my leave out to match the actual hair, and it matches perfectly. I cannot believe that this color is so, I love this color, and I'm a professional hairstylist, and it is very hard to get this color right without any brass or anything like that. So I'm not sure how they did it, but they did their thing there, honestly. Like, if I would have known about this hair before, I would never had to go through all the bleaching and the over processing hair and everything like that. This is just, I love it so much. I wish that they had other patterns besides just body wave, like deep wave. I would get it all. So yeah, I usually do maybe about 5 or 6 sections on each side. I curl the hair away from my face. This is my leave out getting in the way. So I'm going to put some edge booster on and some hairspray. I don't put hairspray on the curls when I'm done because I just don't want them to be too hard. And these curls I did in the morning, and usually by the end of the day they become like a soft wave, which is really really cute. Um, Also, when I'm done, I do run a little bit of oil, some little cheap argan oil I got from the beauty supply store for like $1 through the hair, so it can like camouflage the dryness a little bit. And also, my main tip about any hair you're going to get that's like Amazon or AliExpress is to please seal your wefts. I used to do this like back in the day when I first started getting hair, no matter if the hair was $400 or $100. I sealed my wefts so I don't have to deal with any kind of shedding. And when you color hair, shedding is to be expected, but I did seal my wefts with the Dritz Fray Check weft seal. I got it from Michaels. So it comes like two in the pack for like $7.99. So I would highly, highly recommend, if you're gonna get this hair, seal your wefts just so you don't have to deal with the shedding if there is gonna be any shedding at all. So once again, I curl away from my face. I hold it on there for about 30 or 32 seconds, and that's it. Um, what else was I gonna tell you guys? This is the true 1B. The middle area is a 4, and the bottom is a 27. I sewed this hair in. Like I said, I have two bundles in my head and a little bit of the 16 inch. I might just add some 16 in towards the back, but to me, it looks like natural, and I love it like this. Like, I get compliments on this hair. I just love it. Like, I don't even know. I love my curly hair, but I'm in love with this hair. Like, I love the color so much. It's like my signature color that I always did, and I struggled to get the color right. Even though I went to hair school and everything, it's still hard to get the hair to the exact color you want. And it's so time consuming. If you could just buy the hair and put it in like I did, go ahead and do it. And you can also use this hair if you want to like add a color on top, maybe a red, a blue, a green. This would be great for that as well. What else was I gonna tell you guys about the hair? So far I had it in for about a week. I haven't had any real complaints. Only thing that I could say that I do see a little bit of the dryness, but the hair is still soft. Quick fix for that, like I said, to put some oil in it and go about your day. So this hairstyle is 10 minutes. I think I kept it under like 9 minutes and 40 seconds for you guys. So I do this every morning before I go to work. You can also achieve this look with flexi rods, but I'm too lazy for that. And I'm not sweating. That's my deodorant under my arms on my shirt. So don't come for me. Other than that, yeah, I have a little bit of leave out at the top. I don't braid my own hair. I get my hair braided, and then I do my own sewing basically after that. Saves a lot of money. If you guys can try to do your own sewing, it'll save you $150, $200. So I would definitely suggest to try to do your own sewings if you guys can. Let me see what else I wanted to say about the hair. Oh yeah, I have not washed this hair yet. I just literally put it in because the night before I had to literally take my hair out, take the curly hair out, wash my hair, dye my hair, and seal the wefts. I was like, I am not gonna wash this hair too and then seal the wefts. I cannot do it, but I'll be washing this hair probably, if not this weekend, definitely next weekend. I can come back with an update for you guys, see if the hair changed or anything like that. When I first put the hair in, it had a nice little body wave to it, which I don't know if you could really use this in its natural state or not. I'm not certain, but when I do wash it, I'll test that to see, basically. And the hair, I did straighten it a bit, and it seems like it's a little bit hard to straighten for some reason. I don't know if it's because of the blonde or if it's because of my straightener, because my straightener only goes up to 410 degrees. So I don't know. That's to be determined by if anybody else gets the hair. I'm going to try to get a new straightener that goes up to about 455 degrees, and then we'll see from there, basically. But I'm pretty much almost done with the hair. I'm also going to include some pictures at the end of how the hair looks and everything like that. So that's my last curl. I smooth my hair down with the flat iron. Any like lumps, bumps that's sticking up from my leave out. What else? Plug everything. Put some more edge control, the edge booster. You get it from your local beauty supply store. They come in all different flavors. I have strawberry right now. I had the peach, which smelled really good. So make sure you guys check out this hair. It's from Amazon, Beauty Forever. I don't know if like Amazon standards is very high for certain things, because this is the third time I got hair from Amazon in general. Even my Original hair like was so good, and that hair was so cheap. Like, I don't know, but if I was gonna get hair that's like AliExpress, I would definitely get it from Amazon. I think they must like go through some kind of like, I don't know, code of high standards or something, because this hair really surprised me with the softness. The color alone just like blew me away. I'm still surprised about it. I look every day at it and I'm like, I love this color so much. I'm gonna keep this hair. So yeah, right now I'm putting some oil in. That's kind of a lot, but I made a mistake and put too much. But it didn't weigh the hair down in oil, which was very strange to me. But I said, okay, I'm going with it. So yeah, I'm just putting some in and making sure I get all the parts that are dry from the bleaching or whatever they did to the hair. I hope the hair don't change up when I wash it, but I will let you guys know. If it does, I'll be very sad if it does, but I highly doubt it. I think it should be fine. And maybe it'll give the hair like a little more texture too. I'm not looking for that, but maybe. This is the end result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave any comments down below that you may have. I'm going to link everything down there. I might even link the wand, as well as the hair, of course. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, by the way, here's some pictures at the end. Be sure to look at them and make sure you guys come back for my updated review in about maybe like 2 weeks. Okay, bye.